Okay, so then right here, what I want to watch for is my total clear height. Now, again, I wrote that under duress, so it says clear. I want clear 20 1/2 inches from the floor to the bottom of my tray. So if I'm going to eat up 2 inches of that with this piece here, so I've got 2, call it 2, right? And I want to have a little bit of play. I took 20 1/2 minus 2 equals 18 1/2. So if I make my post 18 1/2 inches, then I'll get my 20 1/2 inches off the floor. So just to add a little bit of play, I'm going to make it 19 inches. And this is the piece that I have for, this is again, the Sinker Cypress, right? And Sinker Cypress. And so anyhow, that's how I'm going to remember it. I've got a couple options. You know, I've got this goofy thing going on right here. Do I want that in my living room, basically, of the RV? Or do I want to take it from this end? And since this end's going to be outside, and I probably want a little more weight, it's a little thicker back here, I'm going to go and I'm going to leave that for the outside. Plus, I am only going to be limited to whatever height I have left. That's it, period. So right now, I'm going to go with 19 on this one. In fact, I'm not going to end up with much at all. So I'm just going to go with this and call it a day at 19. And I'm going to have to make the leg for my outdoor one from something else. Okay, so just kind of holding that with my hand and just double checking. And what I have to the underside of that tray, that main tray, I have 21 inches. And again, that gives me a little bit of play. I can always take more off of this, right? I can always make a board shorter, but that's where I'm going to go with that so far.